Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. So today is day 5, and the good deed for day 5 is the act of kindness to creation of Allah, which means this is only birds, animals, and etc. But it's not human beings.
Yeah, because for that we have some other day. So for today is birds and animals. And why are we doing this? Because one of the hadith of the Prophet, it says that those who are kind and considerate to Allah's creation, Allah bestows His kindness and affection on them. All of us want Allah to be kind and loving to them. And one of the way to get that is being kind and considerate to Allah's creation. So how can we do this challenge? Yusuf, any ideas?
For us, of course, if you have a pet, it's easier because, you can just be nice to your pet or do something kind to them. But if you don't have a pet, I would suggest, getting a bird feeder or, somehow helping an animal, food to a bird, in a bird feeder, or give water to some kind of animal like a cat.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Anything that we grow, even for instance, flowers or any kind of veggies, even for the flowers, if any bees are coming up to the flowers, that is going to be a good deed that we are doing, that is showing kindness and being considerate to the creation of Allah. Remember, Yusuf, once when we had in our veggie garden, when we had carrots, do you remember which animal used to come and as in enjoy the carrots?
Or bunnies.
Yes, bunnies. So that could be an intentional thing, that we can just grow something that other creation can come and enjoy it, inshallah. So let's just do it today.